Best CapCut Velocity Edit for Beginners. Let's get started. A velocity edit creates dramatic speed changes, slowing the footage down, then speeding it up to make key movements pop. So go ahead and launch your CapCut app, click on the option New Project, select the video in which you want to apply this effect. Once you have selected the video, at the bottom you're gonna find a fun option. Navigate to the option Effects. Now click on the option Video Effects. Click on OK. Now here you're gonna see the search box. Over there you can type in velocity and search for it. With that, velocity effect option will be available. Or you're gonna find similar to that effect options. Just click on it and then play your video and check out. If you're not satisfied with this effect, what you wanna do is head back, select your video, choose the option Speed, click on the option Curve, click on Custom. You will see several knots on the curve line. Drag knots up to speed up or down to slow down. If you want more control, add or delete knots at precise points. Preview your speed changes and then click on this option given at the bottom right to apply it. This keeps you handmade cinematic speed transitions timed perfectly to your own music or action. So this way you can create CapCut Velocity Edit. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.